Hi guys, today we will create realistic lipstick effect. We open photo, for example this portrait. The secret of a realistic effect is to use different colors for lights and dark areas of the lip. At first we create solid color layer to paint underlip. Choose basic color. For example, this red. Select Layer Mask and invert it by Ctrl-I. Then choose Brush Tool and White color and paint on the lip. You can easily change size and hardness of the brush by shortcuts. Change blending mode to multiply. If you want to clean something, change brush color to black by X key and paint again. After painting, double-click on the layer to open blending options. Underline layer and move white marker to the left. As you can see, we choose which areas would painted. Use Alt key to split white marker to smooth the transition. OK, main color is ready. Repeat it for the lights. Make layer copy and change color for more pink. Change blending mode to screen. Double-click on the layer to open blending options. White marker to the right. And now we play with black marker. Move it to the right a little bit. Split by Alt key and create smooth color transition. Perfect. Repeat all operations for the upper lip. keep Shift key to choose all color layers and create a group by Ctrl G. If lipstick is too saturated, change opacity of the group. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.